Look at this. There are 4,152 subscribers in my trading group, and we're killing it. I got a few shout outs to give on my trading group. This person stated, signed up for VIP Elite, took your suggestion. I doubled my money in less than a week. This person, I'm up $58,000 in 10 days. Chris, thanks a lot for everything. I'm 3 or 4 months in the group. I've turned $4,000 into 65 grand. 65 G's out of 4,000. It's more than 10x. He more than 10x'd his money in the group. This person, I'm up $10,000 in the last week. I've got a cryptocurrency trading group. I've got 6 chat groups where everybody's calling out breakouts, posting charts, working together to trade this market. I've got 41 videos in a playlist. If you don't know anything about trading at all, nothing, you can watch these videos. You'll be making profitable trades. Number one reason why people join my trading group is I post profitable trading setups every single day, and we've been killing it. If you guys want to join the cryptocurrency trading group, you want to pay in crypto, email me, cryptobitcoinchris@gmail.com. I'll get you set up and in the group today. You pay for 6 months in crypto, you get a 20% discount. You pay for the year in crypto, you get an additional month for free and a 30% discount. If you do want to pay with a card month to month on a monthly basis, you can do so. There's a Patreon link that's in the description. I want to thank everybody for watching Crypto Revolution. We talk about everything crypto daily. Before we jump into this video, I want to ask you guys, smash the like button for me, subscribe to the channel, jump in right into the market. Today in crypto, Bitcoin 4-hour chart. Remember, I'm giving away $500 in Bitcoin in 5 days. All you have to do for a chance to win, subscribe to the channel, like the video, leave a comment in the comment box. I'm going to pick a random comment over a 7-day period, $500 in Bitcoin, free money. Let's go. Hit that subscribe button. So Bitcoin is in a short-term downtrend, right? I mean, you got low, high, lower low, lower high, and if this puts in a lower low, you look for a lower high. If something crazy happens, this breaks. I mean, there's support down here at 45,000 and then 40,000 after that. Okay, so again, all eyes on Bitcoin. The bulls need to hang in there, messing up our altcoin trades. This is again just kind of another look at Bitcoin 4-hour chart. We talked about the idea that you get this short-term bounce, which happened, right? We talked about this short-term bounce, small relief bounce, and then downside continuation would make more sense as opposed to this double bottom, right? So, I mean, that would be the bullish hopium that this double bottom gets put in and the bulls push higher. However, if it doesn't play out, again, you could see a move down here to this lower trend line, 45,000. You want to get some type of bullish divergence or there's not really an edge right now. I mean, you've got some bullish divergence building. I mean, you want to see a double bottom on the RSI down here. And that would give us a stronger bounce idea, right? More of a reversal idea. And then at least for a little while this trends higher, if this were to move towards the upper trend line, we get some amazing altcoin trading. Remember, altcoin season, and these altcoins are doing their best to take off, and Bitcoin keeps spoiling the party. I've got some amazing shout outs to give in my trading group. This person, he says, I was able to turn $700. I started in January. I was able to turn $700 and I quit my job in March and I pay my bills trading. Listen, this is life-changing money. Like, I used to work for the man too. Like, dude, that is not what life's about. Life's about financial freedom, doing what we want to do. Like, trading can give you that. This person, 1,800% long. This is leverage. So, I mean, he made 18x, though, on his money. 1,839%. This person, this is huge. Look at this. They started with $300 in Matic. It's now worth $84,000. The percentage change, 270x, 27,000% gains on Matic. Now they're holding Matic, and the comment to me was, without your group, I wouldn't have known how these market cycles work. I wouldn't have known when to take profits. I wouldn't have known to stay in this trade. But because of your charts that you posted, there's some basic ideas in this market. If you know them, you will make a ton of money, period. Like, if you're tired of taking losses, I can help you. I mean, this is a bull market, right? This is altcoin season. This is the biggest financial opportunity of our lifetime. If you're losing money right now over and over and over, there's something wrong. If you want to join the trading group, go to my website, cryptorevolution.com. If you pay with crypto for 6 months or 12 months right now, it's 50% off. Check out my trading group. Look, ADA. I gave you guys ADA right here, April 29th. Buy the breakout of this level. We talk about these green boxes as being reaccumulation, right? Reaccumulation. I called for $2.30 ADA back here. What happened? Boom. It's up 59%, probably even more than that now. 59% gains out of ADA. ADA didn't get the memo about the pullback at all by Bitcoin. You're going to have these strong altcoins, and that's where you want to focus your trading. Yesterday, we had all these coins in the top. These are the top gainers on Binance, right? Well, on the 13th, I posted this in group. And these are all the soccer fan tokens, and they pump together. Right? I just want you guys to understand like the pumponomics behind the herd is essentially they see the soccer tokens pumping and they just freaking FOMO into the greenest coins, and here they go. Right? So I talked about it on the 13th, and yesterday, like the top 6 gainers were the soccer tokens, right? CHZ is behind this. They have a deal with Socios on this whole situation. And so I guess the next idea I wanted to make sure you guys understand, and we don't know exactly when this has happened, but these are IEOs, initial exchange offerings on Binance, right? And so at some point, you'll see these coins pump together. Now, you can take out some of the soccer tokens and potentially the NFT tokens will pump together, right? AXS, Sandbox, Sands, those will pump together. The Justin Sun coins will pump together. But I really want to talk to you about like One, CELR, Perlin, Kava. Like you'll see Gifto, right? GTO, Bread, BRD. Like there'll be a point where the Binance IEOs pump, and you just need to pick that up. And I'll keep you guys updated. But I mean, this altcoin season is just like everybody buys these coins in bunches, right? And so you just have to figure out, well, what's pumping and what hasn't pumped. That's the same type of coin. And that's just how people buy. That's how people trade this altcoin season. Trading this market is going to get so much easier. I cannot stress enough how much easier this is going to get. Watch. I'm telling you guys, like the money is going to be made the people that can kind of front run everybody else. Because what's going to happen is the herd right now, they threw their phone down. They're in the corner pouting, right, about their losses. And then after about 2 weeks or 3 weeks after these coins are freaking pumping hard and they're up, and who buys the top of Doge, of Matic, of who buys the top of these coins? The herd does, right? They don't think ahead. They don't think. The money in crypto is made when you buy the bottom, when you buy the coins when they're not doing anything, when everybody thinks that the bottom's going to fall out, right? That's when you make your money in crypto. Fear and greed index. People are scared right now. They're scared. People are taking losses and they're fearful. Buy when there's blood in the streets. Buy fear. Sell greed. Remember this and you'll make a ton of money. This is BLZ. So the CEO of BLZ came out and said a superstorm is about to be created. Data is the blood of Web 3.0. We have something big coming soon. In May, on the 20th, right? BLZ came out. I gave you guys this setup right here, okay? On YouTube, right? 16,000 people saw this. And I explained to you, like, hey, it's already broken out, but we need this retest, and then we're going to look for another pump higher, pullback, and then pump higher. That's just how these breakouts happen. People take profits after the breakout, and so then you get an initial sell-off, and then you got another group of buyers waiting down here to buy. BLZ, 45% gains after a perfect retest. Huge. BLZ, let's go. Like there are some coins, if you concentrate on these winners, like you can make a ton of money in this market. So ETH, so I posted this the other day and I said, hey, you just have to assume that this continues, and this is a downtrend right here. This is a downtrend. Until ETH breaks out of this downtrend, like the price is going to continue lower, right? Same thing with Bitcoin. This is a downtrend. If you're holding Bitcoin, you're going to, over time, you're going to take losses. Right now, if you're holding ETH, until this breaks out, you're essentially taking losses. You can see ETH is following the trend to the downside, right? As soon as ETH breaks out to the upside, right? Everything changes. Now, there's a good chance you can get a bounce here. You get a bounce here based on this RSI, but then the question is it going to be able to break out? You got all the moving averages coming down. At some point, ETH needs to take a break. It's done freaking amazing things. When it does take a break, you're going to see these other altcoins. Money's going to flow into them. Litecoin, you got this parabolic curve idea, and you've got a falling wedge, and Litecoin is lagging behind Ethereum. Litecoin's got some upside when it finally takes off, right? I mean, you're looking for $412, $468, $538, and $600 Litecoin, right? So again, buy the breakout of this falling wedge. Atom, this is a very bullish setup. Essentially kind of faked out right here because what Bitcoin's doing. But there's a ton of news on this coming in June. Like if you're looking to hold one of these coins until June, end of June, right? There's a ton of news stacked for Atom. DOT, again, we got into the setup down here. I mean, we're up maybe 15% already in DOT. DOT hasn't taken off yet. It will, right? You got this little flag forming here, looking for a retest, and then you're looking for $54, $58, $65, $76, right? How many times you look at a setup or you're watching a coin and it's doing nothing, then it takes off and you're chasing it, right? You have to understand the technicals here. IOTA, we're still waiting on IOTA, bullish pennant, right? I'm looking for a break higher and essentially 60 to 75% gains out of IOTA. GRT started to make a move here. It needs to retest this trend line, right? So you're looking for a bounce off this trend line, and GRT could see 70% gains over time. Bakkt broke out, right? If you missed the breakout here, look for the retest right here. You're looking for this bounce. I mean, we know what Bakkt's going to do. I mean, this coin, 100% gains coming for Bakkt potentially. XLM, how many times did I give you guys XLM? Huh? I mean, we've been waiting on this for a while. Patience is the key here. Patience is the key. XLM up 23%, just getting started. You want to look for some type of pullback and retest and then continuation to the upside. That's your best entry. AVA, super amazing looking cup and handle. When this thing breaks out, again, tremendous amount of upside. There's so many good altcoin setups. And they're just waiting on Bitcoin to stabilize. Like the money is going to flow into these altcoins like you've never seen. And being able to see the future or think ahead at least is going to make you a ton of money. If you guys like the content that I provide on a daily basis, be sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, leave a comment in the comment box. Thanks so much. I'll see you guys tomorrow.